Safety starts where the rubber meets the road. But do you know if your tires are too old to be safe? Today at Smart Auto Fix, we'll show you how to find the hidden birth date of your tires and exactly when to replace them. Tire has a story. Look for the dot code on the sidewall. Focus on the last 4 digits. For example, if you see 2422, it means the tire was manufactured in the 24th week of 2022. Age isn't the only factor. Check for these 3 red flags. First, the penny test for tread depth. If you can see the top of the coin, it's too thin. Second, look for dry rot cracks. Third, watch out for bulges or bubbles. These are ticking time bombs. To make your and always ensure your wheels are aligned. Proper care saves you money and lives. Don't wait for a blowout to take action. Check your dot code. Getting a flat tire is a common roadside emergency, but knowing how to handle it can save you time and keep you safe. Before you even touch a tool, safety is your top priority. Make sure your vehicle is on flat, solid ground and far from traffic. Turn on your hazard lights immediately to alert other drivers. Then engage your parking brake firmly to prevent the car from rolling while lifted. Now, let's locate your tools. Open the trunk and lift the floor panel. You should find a spare tire, a jack, and a lug wrench. Place all the tools on the ground near the flat tire. If you have wheel chocks, place them behind the tires to add extra stability. If your car has a hubcap or wheel cover, use the flat end of the lug wrench to carefully pry it off and expose the nuts. Use the lug wrench to loosen the nuts by turning them counterclockwise. Do not remove them yet. Just break the initial resistance while on the ground. If the nuts are very tight, you can use your body weight. Place the wrench so you can push down on it for better leverage. Now, place the jack under the vehicle's frame. Look for the reinforced metal area or the notch specifically designed for the jack's head. Slowly turn the jack handle clockwise. The car will begin to rise. Continue until the flat tire is approximately 6 inches off the ground. Never put any part of your body under the vehicle while it is supported only by the jack. Safety should always come before speed. With the wheel in the air, finish unscrewing the lug nuts by hand. Keep them in a safe place like your pocket or the hubcap. Grasp the flat tire firmly with both hands and pull it straight toward you until it's free from the wheel studs. Align the spare tire with the wheel bolts. Push the tire onto the hub until it sits firmly against the mounting surface. Put the lug nuts back on and tighten them by hand as much as possible. This ensures the tire is centered before lowering. Carefully lower the jack by turning the handle counterclockwise until the spare tire makes contact with the ground, but don't take the jack away. Using the lug wrench, tighten the nuts in a star pattern. This distributes the pressure evenly and prevents the wheel from wobbling. Now, lower the jack completely and remove it. Perform a final check to ensure all lug nuts are as tight as you can make them. Store the flat tire and your tools back in the trunk. Don't forget to double check that you haven't left anything on the roadside. Remember, most spare tires are temporary. Drive under 50 miles per hour and head straight to a professional to get your tire fixed today. If this was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Smart Auto Fix for more expert car tips. Stay safe.